Hey, hi, hello. What is up, everyone? If you're new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we make sourdough, we do fun recipes. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, that is cool too. If you're not new here, hey, hi, welcome back. Missed you. Today, we are going to make a 3-hour pizza dough recipe. We're gonna have pizza for dinner tonight, and I found this recipe a couple weeks ago. I was literally just scrolling YouTube shorts and it came up, and I tried it the next day and it was really good. Jonathan really liked it. So we're gonna try it again today. And keep in mind, I'm not a professional pizza maker. I make pizza for fun. Yes, we do have an uni. You can do it in your oven. I just make pizza for fun. So if my technique is not perfect, I'm working on it and I just make pizza for fun. So keep that in mind. Anyway, the recipe I'm going to give you today will make 3 pizza dough balls. I think the recipe I followed makes 2, but I'm going to do 3 out of it. So just keep that in mind. You can get 3 pizzas out of this recipe, or maybe like 2 really big pizzas. I don't know. Or, maybe 4 really small pizzas. So just keep that in mind. All right, so I'm going to use a scale to measure my ingredients. All you need is flour, yeast, water, and salt. So it's a very simple recipe. I did find a sourdough recipe I like for pizza crust, so maybe I'll do that in the near future if you are interested in that. If you're interested in that, if I could speak. So yeah, let's just get to making this pizza dough. Let's go. All right, you're gonna need 450 grams of flour. The recipe I'm following does say 00 flour, but I normally never make pizza dough with this kind of flour. I just so happen to have it from my brother-in-law. Normally I just use regular all-purpose flour and it turns out just fine. So use whatever flour you have and whatever you want. I can tell you it works. So 450 grams. Okay, we're gonna do 300 grams of water. I'm gonna do 12 grams of salt. And I'm gonna do about 4.5 grams of active dry yeast. I'm gonna mix it all together. I'm basically going to knead this until it is smooth. And then I'm gonna let it sit here for about 30 minutes and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do a stretch and fold. So, give me a second. Let me knead this up. All right, so we are back. It's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna do a couple stretch and folds of this dough. And then in 15 minutes, I'm going to do another couple stretch and folds. So it's been 30 minutes, and then in 15 minutes, I will do stretch and folds, and then 15 minutes after that, I'll do stretch and folds. Then I'll wait another 30 minutes, do a last set of stretch and folds, and then we will divide the dough and let it rise until we make dough balls tonight for pizza. Alright, y'all have to remember, I just make pizzas for fun, okay? I'm not an expert, so don't come at me. Just make pizzas for fun. I'm just saying this is a good dough recipe. That's all I'm saying.
I didn't know.
Yeah, you did. She's got a little charge right there. Just a little right there, but. This is the bottom. She looks fantastic.
Looks like a pizza. Feels like a pizza. Yeah. This is...
No, we're getting you from that angle.
Tastes like a pizza.
Is it good? Is that your favorite crust recipe that I just started making?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's super thin.
Yeah, it is. It's very thin. She's got nice bubs. Look at that.
Sauce is perfect.
I made it.
Mm-hmm. Just needs more garlic. Like, with pizza in general.
I could add garlic to it. I didn't add anything. It's good though. It's really good. Okay, we'll be back with the next pizza probably. As a little wrap up to this video, I've done a lot of pizza crusts in the time that we have had the uni, like a lot of different pizza crusts. And I will say the one in this video is probably my favorite same day crust. But my most favorite crust is doing like a 3-day ferment with either sourdough or I like to follow the uni pizza crust recipe where you ferment it in the fridge for 3 days. That's my favorite. The dough is the easiest to work with when you're actually making the pizzas the day of with the fermented dough. So I do find that easier, but the recipe that I just shared with you for the same day, like 3-hour crust, is really good. The dough is just a little bit hard to work with, that's all. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. My next video, I think I'm gonna be trying to make mozzarella cheese for the first time. I've never done it before, so come back for that video if you wanna watch me probably fail. So anyway, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye!